Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan nearshore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to North Port Lake, Wisconsin until 4:30 p.m. At 4:04 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Port Washington, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Washington. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the nearshore marine forecast. Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for open waters to mid-lake from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Milwaukee, Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles southeast of Port Washington to near wind point, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorm was reported with 78 degrees, the dew point 68, and the relative humidity was 71 degrees, the dew point 66, and the relative humidity was 84%. The winds were west at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 33. The pressure was 30.10 inches and rising. At Kenosha, it was cloudy, and it was 82. In Racine, it was cloudy, and 78. At Waukesha, a thunderstorm was reported, and 68. In West Bend, rain was falling. The temperature was 72. At Madison, a thunderstorm was reported, and 68. In the Dells, it was cloudy, and 66. In La Crosse, light rain was falling, and it was 71. At Dubuque, it was partly sunny, and it was 74.
Holy shit, it went off.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, west-central Fond du Lac County in east-central Wisconsin, Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Marquette County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Portage, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaver Dam, Portage, Lake Wisconsin, Pratt, Partyville, Randolph, Markesan, Rio, Cambria, Fox Lake, Alto, Manchester, Racine, Otsego, Fairwater, Friesland, Kingston, Doylestown, Marquette, and Astico. This includes the following locations: Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, and Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. This is the NOAA Weather Radio King. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 380, effective until 4 a.m. Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Henry, McHenry, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
I'm trying to talk.
Portions of east central Wisconsin, south central Wisconsin, and south. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 1:30 a.m. At 12:50 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clinton, or 9 miles east of Milwaukee. 55 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Law enforcement reported several trees and power lines down across the below area. Intact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Elkhorn, Delavan, Williams Bay, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Richmond, Tiffany, Abel's Corners, Tibbetts, Allen's Grove, Millard, Avalon, Show Pier, Emerald Grove, and Johnstown Center. People attending Elkhorn Fest should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is the new weather radio. Milwaukee. Western Milwaukee County and southeastern Rock County and south central Wisconsin. Moving at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement recorded several trees and power lines down across the Beloit area. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Williams Bay, Walworth, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Richmond, Tiffany, Abel's Corners, Allen's Grove, Millard, Avalon, Show Pier, Emerald Grove, and Johnstown Center. People attending Elkhorn Fest should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A strong thunderstorm will affect southwestern Milwaukee and southern Rock counties. At 12:46 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Beloit, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Winds of 40 to 50 miles an hour are possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Clinton, Sharon, Darien, Newark, Tiffany, Allen's Grove, Avalon, Show Pier, Emerald Grove, Johnstown Center, and Southern Hollow. Stay outdoors. Consider seeking shelter inside the building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 60 in Milwaukee. National Weather Service in Milwaukee, South. Storm warning for western Milwaukee County